I am so excited to share that I got my haircut. Look at that. I'm so excited. I know it's a crazy thing to be excited about, but 2.5 months I was waiting to get my haircut and I feel like a brand new person. I can't believe it. Anyway, I just wanted to just to brag about my haircut because I'm just so excited about it. I've been posting lately about how excited I was to get a new haircut and I feel like an absolute brand new person. So I just wanted to jump online really quickly just to talk about mindset really quickly. So basically, a lot of you who have been following me for a very long time know that I've been working on my mindset. I've been on a personal growth journey for 3 years and it's been a roller coaster ride. It's been absolutely a roller coaster ride. There's been ups and downs and turnarounds and everything. And basically, like most people who work on things with themselves, sometimes consistency isn't always there. I know I'm guilty of it. You try so hard to be consistent in everything you do. If you're trying to lose weight, you try to stay consistent and lose weight. If you try to stay healthy, you try to stay consistent and eat healthy. But then sometimes what happens is that just life happens, right? So I just wanted to share with you really quickly what's happened to me over the past 3 years. So again, those of you who may know what's been going on with me may or may not know this, but I came from a very dark place. So 3 years ago, everything that I was thinking about and everything that I was doing just felt so negative. So I just want to talk to you and share with you about this mindset journey I've been on. So basically what I want to share with you is that everything that's happening to me now in 2020, in end of May 2020, was basically in my mind 3 years ago. Now that's pretty crazy. That's how powerful the mind is, right? Or at least most of us have this capability. Most of us have this in us. It's like if you want something so bad, you can have it. If you want to lose 10 pounds, you can lose 10 pounds. If you want to receive more money, you can receive more money. What you got to do is you got to reverse engineer it, right? So what I did is that I set myself this lofty goal. So for me, my goal, and it may not be anyone else's goal, but I wanted to work from home full time. I wanted to be home broadcasting from my back deck with my patio furniture full time. So what I wanted to do was figure out how I was going to make that happen. And for me, coming from such a dark place in my life and thinking that the whole world was out to get me and that, everything was just not going my way to where I am now has been like a full 180, like it's completely different. So I just want to share that with you because I have a lot of new followers on my page and not a lot of you know that about me. I know there's a lot of you who've been following me for the past 3 years, but I wanted to share that with you because the mind is such a powerful thing. And if I can take myself from such a dark place and put myself in this position that I'm literally living, what I dreamed about 3 years ago, I'm sure that you can do it too. So one, I just wanted to brag about my new haircut because I was actually able to get one that I was so excited about. But two, I just wanted to share with you about mindset and kind of what I've gone through for the past 3 years. And basically it is one of those things where if I can do it, I know you can do it too. Because no matter what it is that you want to change about your situation, you have to want it bad enough than you even want to breathe. If you want to lose 10 pounds, you gotta figure out what you need to do to lose that 10 pounds. You gotta, start basically by, reverse engineering it. Say, yeah, you want to lose 10 pounds, but why don't we start with maybe a half a pound a week? And then you start, being consistent with that. And all of a sudden, before you know it, you lost 10 pounds, right? So that's just a small example of things and how powerful our mind is and what's happened to me. Because for me to sit here and literally broadcast to you on my back deck, I am living proof that if you want something bad enough, you can make it happen for yourself. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly, one, to brag about my haircut, but two, just to talk to you about kind of my journey and what I've been through, because like I said, not a lot of you people know about me. I did a huge Facebook cleanse there about a month ago, so I cleaned out a lot of people that weren't very active on my page and stuff like that. So I have a lot of new people on my page that haven't seen me before or know anything about me. So I just wanted to say, yo, what's up, and I want to share with you some mind, set hacks that helped me, that may help you. And the biggest thing I just wanted to communicate to you today is that I'm living proof that if you have something, if you're dreaming about something, if you want something bad enough, you can make it happen. You certainly can. So I just wanted to come on here today. I was so excited to share with you my haircut. I feel like a brand new person. It feels so good. The weather is beautiful. I'm going to be broadcasting from here and sharing, connecting with you guys, getting to know you guys. I've had conversations with a lot of you online. I've had literally thousands of conversations online over the past 2 months during this pandemic, and you guys have literally kept me motivated to just have some degree of normalcy. So and conversations and keeping things going. And I'm reaching out to all kinds of people on this platform. So I want to thank you guys for helping me get through the past 2.5 months or so, because it's really, well, one, helped me get my hair cut, but two, it's really just helped me just maintain some sort of normalcy in relationships and build all this momentum in the social media space and this online space. So really, if you're working on something, the biggest thing I want to share with you today is that you can make it happen. I'm living proof. So whatever it is that you're going after, whatever it is that you want, you can do it. I will see you at the next one. Every time that it's nice like this, I'm going to be broadcasting to you from my back deck. So wherever you are, have a great day. I love and appreciate you all. We'll see you at the next one.